Welcome back to Wonder Wanders. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey to Iceland, a land where fire and ice coexist in breathtaking harmony. Iceland is a country of stark contrasts, where you'll find hundreds of volcanoes alongside Europe's largest glacier, and where the Arctic Circle's chill is tempered by the warmth of the Gulf Stream. This is Iceland, the land of fire and ice, and a place where stories are etched into the very landscape. Iceland's rugged terrain is sparsely marked by human hands, but its stories linger forever. The sheer force and beauty of this place have transformed Viking warriors into poets and family tales into epic sagas. Over 1100 years ago, Norseman Elfr Arnarsson first glimpsed these shores. He cast the wooden seat pillars of his chieftain's throne overboard, vowing to build his farm wherever they washed up. 3 years later, the pillars were found, and Reykjavik was born. Today, Reykjavik is Iceland's capital and home to 2/3 of the country's 300,000 residents. Reykjavik, a city of contrasts. Reykjavik may feel like the most isolated place on Earth, yet it's only a 3-hour flight from London and just under 6 from New York. This city is a charming blend of big town and small city, with a relaxed and welcoming atmosphere. Despite its size, Reykjavik boasts a fierce creativity and cultural life that rivals other European capitals. The architecture here is a response to the natural environment, simple and low to withstand the North Atlantic winds, and colorful to brighten spirits during the long, dark winters. Architectural marvels. Reykjavik is home to some truly inspiring architecture. The Helgarmskirkja Church, with its soaring central tower, resembles a spire from a fairy tale ice castle and mirrors the geometric shapes of ancient lava flows. Harpa, the city's conference and concert center, reflects Reykjavik's sky, harbor, and cultural energy, honoring the island's dramatic geologic formations and the incredible winter spectacle of the Northern Lights.
Preserving heritage. Icelanders deeply value their heritage. When Reykjavik modernized in the mid-20th century, many older buildings were relocated to the last of the city's farms. Today, Arbajarsafn serves as a museum where visitors can walk through the pages of earlier times. At the National Museum of Iceland, you can journey through Icelandic history from the present day back to the settlement age. Nature beckons. Wherever you step in Reykjavik, nature calls you over wind-swept waters, across mountains, and into limitless horizons. Many of Iceland's most popular sites are within easy reach of the capital, often accessible by public transport. Immerse yourself in the spirit of Iceland at the Blue Lagoon, where locals soak in healing thermal waters, share gossip, and even conduct business meetings. The Golden Circle. Not far from Reykjavik lies the Golden Circle, encompassing 3 of Iceland's greatest natural wonders. Just 30 miles from the capital is Thingvellir National Park, considered the heart and soul of Iceland. Here, you can walk between the tectonic plates of North America and Europe, which have been drifting apart for millennia. Stand on the shore of the country's largest lake, wander the grass-covered lava flows, and imagine the clans who gathered here for Iceland's open-air parliament for over 800 years. Geysir Geothermal Field. In the Golden Circle, experience the boiling cauldron of hissing steam vents and belching mud pools at the Geysir Geothermal Field. While the Great Geysir has been quiet in recent years, its little brother Strákur still puts on a show, thrusting water into the heavens every 10 minutes. In conclusion, Iceland is a land of contrasts and stories, where the natural world and human history intertwine in the most captivating ways. From the vibrant cultural life of Reykjavik to the awe-inspiring natural wonders of the Golden Circle, Iceland offers an adventure like no other. Join us as we explore this incredible destination and uncover the magic of the land of fire and ice. Stay tuned for more travel adventures with Wonder Wanders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting travel content.